Alright everybody, welcome back to Liz Be Honest. Liz here. Uto is also in Discord with me. Uh, she is playing another game at the moment, but she may be chiming in and she's chilling out with us. So we are here. We are still in Horizon. We finished up some MSQ. We actually don't have any side quests or anything right now. We're just really going to focus on MSQ today. If we need side quests in order to level up, we'll take them on. But, really quickly, I'm actually going to... I meant to do this off screen and I forgot. Whoops. We are going... I changed up our hotbar a little bit. So... we don't have to worry about... yeah. I really don't want this hotbar, but that's okay. We'll figure it out later. What else do we want? This is cute. We can do this one. We've got cheer. We've got wave. Shock? We can do shock. That's cute. Alright, there we go. So... let's see. Alright, we've got to talk to Fufulupa. Remember his cheeks? Look at his little cheeks. Look up. He's so cute. Alright, he looks so serious. Alright, Mr. Brassblade. What do you got for me? Fufulupa wants you to track down a missing courier. Pray allow me to enlist your aid, brave adventurer. I would have you ascertain the whereabouts of a missive I sent to Lost Hope the other day. Captain Leofric is stationed there. Ever since he was transferred, we've exchanged letters, but never before has it taken this long to receive a reply. And so I fear that the courier may have met with some misfortune en route. She must have made it to Central Thanalan, or the brass blades of that patrol roads between here and Scorpion Crossing would have seen something. But if she made it as far as Blackbrush Station, she would have surely discovered the letter by now. Lost Hope is practically on its doorstep. I suggest you focus your search on the road to Blackbrush Station in Central Thanalan. With luck, you'll find her quickly. Alright. So we're going back to Central Thanalan. We are going to... aw, man. He's gonna teleport? Yeah, we're just gonna teleport. So we'll just teleport to Blackbrush Station. We're not gonna use one of our Aetheryte tickets for that. But... we will... see what we can do. Alright, so... oh, we gotta go back over this way. All these side quests to clear out. But... I'm sure they wanted us to walk. Maybe it would have been faster to walk considering how far away this is. But... I don't know. I felt it was faster to teleport, so... we shall see. Music and Thanalan in the daytime is so pretty. I just love looking at Udol in the background. It just looks like this massive palace. Like, it just looks really cool. So... alright. Keep going, Rowen! Rowen, Rowen. I passed it. That's why we look at the map, folks. Where is she? Boom. Oh, there she is. Or he. Cecily. Huh? A letter? I've got Fufulupa's missive right here. I won't be delivering anytime soon, though. Got to tend to my bird's injured leg first. Even the most minor of cuts can fester if ignored. Fufulupa sent you, right? If this was a pressing matter, why don't you take it the rest of the way? Lost Hope's just past Blackbrush Station to the northeast to look for the tents by the river. Alright. We can go. Deliver a letter? Why not? We have nothing better to do. Here we go. Doo-doo. Come on, run faster. Gotta get up to the little green check mark. Still got this event going on, which means there's still so many people here. We'll see if we can do that or not. I don't know. I don't know what level you have to be for it. A lot of things like open up at level 15 and level 20.
It's level 50.
50? 50?
Yep. It had to be ultimate weapon as well.
Never mind, we're not gonna get there, friends. Apologize. You'll have to watch it on Lisbeth. Just passing through. You'll be staying a while. Here's your letter. Falupa sent you all this way because of a late letter. The boy is still far too earnest. Despite my demotion, he continues to call me captain. I suspect he has no idea what it means to be transferred to Lost Hope either. The brass blades don't give a quarren's arse about this settlement. No one in ul'dah does. All here have been forsaken, adventurer. The refugees, the protectors. And you will be too if you're seen associating with us. Thank you for the letter. Now, for your own good, leave. Well then. Hey, look at that! Level 13! Nice. Alright, here we go. Theofric has a request for an adventurer looking to do some good. Thought I told you to get out of here. What, looking for a chance to do some good? I guess I can't force you to leave. Damn stubborn adventurers, a lot of you. Fine then, listen well. A band of outlaws has taken up residence at the Cuervan Manse on the ridge to the south. Their leader has styled himself heir to Elolande Quiveran, the syndicate member who died in the calamity. Hold on, friends, let me finish this real quick. The Baron and his cronies are not more than a pack of jackals. They prey on the people of Lost Hope, robbing them of what little they have. I myself cannot act without endangering the refugees, as they know my face and will retaliate against Lost Hope. You, however, are not known to the bandits or their allies. If you wish to help us, then deal with the Baron. Alright, there we go. So, give me 1 second, friends.
Hi, Dave. Dave. He's muted, he doesn't want to talk. I will be your veto.
Alright. So, we're gonna go get some stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna pick up these side quests. I know I said we're gonna focus on MSQ, but I'm pretty sure they're going to... Yeah, see, they're gonna send us to the same places. So... let's go ahead and just pick these up while we're there, because then... see, we're gonna... they're all taking us exactly to the same place. So this way, we can get things done. Okay. Okay, this one's over here. We'll just deliver this one first to Blackbrush Station. Then... we'll go up after the other people. Where? Oh, is he inside here? Huh, they break their backs for next to nothing. And when they're washed up, there's always another one to take their spot. God, you're a terrible person. These poor fools dig up pebbles worth more than they'll see in their whole lifetime. Eorzea can be a right cool place at times, but I ain't one to change what ain't broke. Are you sure it isn't broken? You sure about that? You know what, I'm gonna pick up these as well, because these are probably nearby too. Hammerbeaks. Both people. Alright, so wants me to talk to him. Just breathe. Pain is just weakness leaving the gods. Damn my head. If only I had a high potion. I think this might be the end. Here, have a high potion. Well, I really don't need this, but if you insist, may have my thanks. I was designed to suffering in silence, for I, Osbert the Undying, veteran of countless battles, could not afford to show weakness to my colleagues and our allies. A gentle blow to the head. Yes, right? Yeah, okay. So, a gentle blow to the head. Whatever. Warrior's wisdom? If you must practice your juggling, use heavy stones at your own peril. You're an idiot.
Some dudes just want to juggle bricks.
Okay, so the Hammerbeaks are actually a little bit this way. So we'll just go kill the Hammerbeaks real quick and then we'll move on. But... wonder how far we can get. MSQ. Here's the Hammerbeak. Die! What do you mean no actions are set? I'm really confused. Hold on. Oh. There, okay. That was weird. How many of these? I need to kill 8 of these? Good grief. See, I read that really well. My gosh. So many. Samurai Jackie. Oh my goodness. So many of these. Three more. And then we can move on. Come on now. Right. Da-da-da. One more. Die! You beak, die! Okay. I like running out with my sword out. It just looks so fancy. Oh my gosh, how many times have we done this fate? We have to level sync now. We're above this fate. This person seems to be struggling, so... Let's see what we got. There we go. I'll have you know that I'm wearing like level 1 gear as well. Just because I don't like the other gear. So, we're just going with it. Alright, let's turn this one in. Where do I turn this in at? Do you? In here? Yep, okay. I don't need ethers. I'm not wearing the hat. Give me the guild. Alright, so there's that one. Okay, now we gotta go. All these other ones are over here. Should we go over here first? Yeah, let's go over here first. Sunsets are so pretty in ul'dah. A clutch. Hey, look! These guys are on our hunting logs. Might as well get them over here. What's that? Well, this has the attention span of a gnat. You're right. There it is. How many of these? I have to kill 3 of them? Okay. Let's grab the other one down there. So many people. Ta-da! Alright. Finish that one. Now... Toxic Toad. Ooh, this is level 14. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put this on. That little, like, jumping thing is doing really gross. Ta-da! Get him, Samurai Jackie. Alright. I guess all I needed from down here. Yep. Yep. I don't know this person who just logged into our free company. Alright. Look at all these little cactars. This antling soldier wants me. Oof, come here. Drop my mouse. What else is new, right? Alright. Okay. We should look and see what else is in our hunting log while we're here as well. So we can get that out of the way. Because those give decent experience. And you can't move on to the next one. Okay. So these guys are like... Come here! Come here! These guys are like all attack us and I really don't... I just wish I could do it one attack. We actually like have to kill like all of these. It's really exciting. Okay, so I know I don't like to do this, but since there's so many of them, I'm actually gonna put on armor. So that's literally okay. So like I am gonna dang it. I'm gonna change back into my headpiece though in a second. Like it doesn't look that bad. I did buy Lightning's gear off of the Mog Station because I think it looks pretty cool. And actually it kind of looks really cool as a gladiator. Should I buy her weapon too? Or did I get her weapon? I don't think I did. No, I didn't think I did. I want this on because yes, it's a level 1, but it increases experience by 20%, level 25 and below. So yeah, I want that on. Okay. So there's a lot of these guys. Alright, that'll really help. I knew I was gonna get at least more than one. So we'll put on Rampart, which is a shield, while we're attacking these guys. So Riot Blade gives us back magic points or MP. We don't need MP right now. Oh no. They have haste? What is that? That's annoying. "18 seconds left on fight or flight." Where is he? My gosh, all three of us are doing this exact same quest. Okay, so we defeated the Baron. Now I need this. 1, 2. It's always fun when people are doing the exact same quest as you and like they all spawn. Pretty sure I'm just defeating this for this person. Alright. And see, like, they've already respawned. Gosh dang it, we're just gonna jump down. Wah! Wasn't terrible. I just don't feel like fighting them again. So this doesn't look too bad. We'll keep this on. Gloves. What about my... These aren't as good? Just gonna keep those on. Oh, come on. Alright. I always forget I can low blow. Alright, so there's that. Let's check our hunting level really quickly. Is there anything else over here? So we got these Earth Sprites. So those are in Western Thanland, which is like over by Horizon. So that's all we need. So we should get those. We'll get a decent amount of experience from that. So... No! I'm just running. Alright. Here's your toxic toad stuff. Not wearing your subligar. I'm not doing it. Here's your Nashite. I don't like giving you this. Oh, she put on the silver guy. So it is done? Good. I hope that wretch died screaming. Well then! Ul'dah is more prosperous than ever, some say. That may be true for the Syndicate, but none of that wealth has trickled down to the small folk. It's all a mummer's farce. One day I refused to play my part, and so was made to leave the stage. My time is past. The brass blades of the rose must look to others for guidance. And level 14. Dude, that's 2 levels. Alright. Passing the blade. Larific would like you to deliver an item to Horizon. Great, we can go get our Earth Sprites and be done with that one thing. As you may have noticed, I'm in no shape to leave Lost Hope right now. So, in my stead... Is that where you're seated? You're just not... You physically can't do it? Okay. So, in my stead, I'd like you to return to Horizon and give this dagger to Fufulupa. Although it's just an old ornamental dagger, it belongs with the brass blades of the rose. I should have given it to the boy before I came here. Okay. I'm just gonna teleport to Horizon. I'm not going to... Yeah, we're not, yeah. We fine. Let's see if we can... Before I turn that in... I want to see if we can find some Earth Sprites. I don't really know where they are, so we're just kind of wandering around a little bit. But the Earth Sprites, right? I think they should be everywhere. I say that and they're like nowhere in sight. There's a fate. We can go fight in the fate. Where are the Earth Sprites? Those guys will attack us if we get any closer. That's a whole bunch of... Okay, come here. Nope. Where the rest of them at? They're there. Come here. Oh, there's 3 of them. They're dying really fast, though. Oof. I'm gonna get hit by that. Oh, I didn't. I dodged that. Yay! Talent, I have it. There's one, like, whose butt's, like, up on the bridge. I'm gonna pull myself out of this, like, little hole, because this is really annoying. Done? Done. Okay. They run in unison, these brass blades. What were we looking for over here? Oh, Earth Sprites! Yeah! Come on! You can see the crystal on the inside of them. I've never noticed that before. It's pretty cool. I need one more. Oh, let's not fall down that. Golly day, I bet I could. Any more? We have to wait for those to respawn. Those are the only ones I see. Oh, there's one. Okay. Just had to walk a little bit closer. Okay. We'll finish our hunting log. I wonder how much experience it's going to give us. We have 3,414 right now, so let's see. Hey, look at that! That was a decent amount. Over 3,000. It's over 3,000! Cool. So, now, we can move on to the next ones. Oh, look at this. The things we literally just beat up. Got a whole bunch of stuff. Horizon's Edge. Are those like in the... here? Alright. We won't worry about that right now. We'll go continue MSQ. But hey, we unlock the next level. And we're about a quarter of the way done with level 14. And level 15, we can get the next gladiator quest. We're rocking and rolling. Ran into a plant. Now a rock. We're right on this. Alright, Fufulupa, I have a dagger for you. Oh, Rowen. I received word from Captain Leofric the other day. Thank you for delivering the letter for me. Why do you have that dagger? Only a captain of the Brass Blades of the Rose is permitted to possess it. Captain Leofric says I'm to have it. There must be some mistake. He couldn't possibly mean to tell me that. No, of course not. I'm not worthy to wield it. Nevertheless, I shall respect the captain's wishes and take the dagger into safekeeping until he comes to reclaim it. Such a pure little boy. Do I have... Stop, mouse! Yeah, we'll go ahead and we'll take a better belt. JK, it's level 15. I should have taken the head cash. Alright. Here we go. Following footfalls. Fufulupa needs you to assist his fellow Brass Blades. The Brass Blades of the Rose have need of your assistance once more, Rowen. Thaumaturges from the ossuary are presently surveying the footfalls for ancient relics. As the area is rife with wild beasts, the Horizon garrison has been charged with their security. But Captain Baldwin sent only a handful of Brass Blades. Despite his assurances to the contrary, such a small unit cannot possibly be sufficient to protect our patrons. I would have you offer your assistance to my comrades. Pray travel to the footfalls and speak with Toto Runa. Okay, so your captain said one thing and you're not trusting your captain? Okay. Alright, we're going this way. Get used to this view, my friends. We will be traveling this a lot. Didn't we just see Samurai Jackie on the other side? Oh well. The footfalls. I'm sure we have some hunting log stuff in here. Should be right up ahead where we're supposed to go. Those birds are in perfect sync up there. Funny. Alright. Totoruna! Oh, wrong one. Some Thaumaturge elite might have been poking around the ruins. Waste of time, if you ask me. But to each his own, I suppose, as long as they don't get in the way of us doing real work. Lead and Venturer come to help. I ain't heard nothing from Captain Baldwin about this. He said trusted men only. Any road, we've got this under control. And besides, this operation ain't got nothing to do with Fufulupa. Boy's got a stick up his arse the size of a sabatender. Ouch. It's no wonder the captain told him to stay in Horizon. Well then. Put on our bigger shield. Storms on the horizon. Nunu Zofu wants you to deliver a message to Crescent Cove. Hey, adventurer, mind running a message to Crescent Cove for us? Captain Baldwin's planning some festivities for the thaumaturgist, see? And he wants them treated to the finest food and drink. Nothing but the best for our distinguished guests, eh? Head west and south to the village and tell Rafe that he's deliver a bounty of fresh fish to Horizon for the feast. Okay. Oh, look. See? Hunting log. Come here. Come here. Wonder how many of these I have to kill. 3, probably. Seems to be like the standard number. This water's pretty deep. Yeah, 3. And look at this. 2 of them right here. Get that EXP. Oh, I didn't finish you off? Sorry. My bad. Let me... I'm gonna wait on these, because I have a funny feeling if I'm supposed to getting fresh fish, that there's a really good chance I'm gonna be asked to go kill these things. So why kill things twice? Oh look, we're almost level 15 though! Oh, come on, you guys. Oh, really? Had to attack me right now? Exactly what we needed. Okay. And my way. Should be able to sprint again. Yep, there we go. Like I said, we're gonna leave those because I have a funny feeling they're gonna want us to kill that. We got a side quest anyway that we can pick up for some more EXP because we're almost level 15. Alright, Rafe, what do you got for me? Fresh fish for Captain Baldwin. Of course, we'll do our best, madam. Unfortunately, we've had poor catch in recent days on the account of the rough seas. More boats should be returning soon, but I cannot promise that their catch will please. But don't worry, my lady. The captain will have his fish, I swear it. Okay. Alright, next level 15! Alright, friends. It looks like our next main scenario quest is over here, and we managed to make it to level 15. So, we're gonna go ahead and leave this part here, and we will continue to see what we need to do in order to get Captain Baldwin his fish. And I have a sneaky suspicion something is going on with the brass blades of the rose. Poofaloopa seems to be oblivious to it. But maybe we're a little bit more jaded than him. But anyway, thanks for joining me on Let's Be Honest, and we'll catch you next time. Have an awesome day. Bye!